Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to take a topic Introduction to IoT. Generally, let us first discuss what is IoT, Internet of Things. This is generally connected in our daily life. Let us see in detail. First, we are just going to see about need for IoT and what is IoT and then what are all the applications of IoT in this video. First of all, let us see the need for IoT. As you see this picture, you can understand the difference between before IoT and after IoT. IoT before it was there, it was full and fully machine works. Here, generally four systems are there. The four systems, if you do want to do any work, then it should be done by the man. After completing the system 1, then he is going to the system 2, and then again this loop will be repeated. Whereas in the case of IoT, after the discovery of IoT, we have introduced the concept that all the systems they are connected within itself using the concept of cloud. Now let's see what is IoT. For all the devices, IoT is used to interact, collaborate, and share experience in which it reduces the human intervention in a machine cycle. Next, let's see what is Internet of Things. Generally, the Internet of Things is a platform where regular devices are connected to the internet so they can interact, they can collaborate and exchange data within each other. So these are all the devices as you see in the picture. These are all the devices where they are connected to the internet and then they are controlled. In simple words, we can tell connect and control devices through internet. It is called as IoT. As I say that Internet of Things is we are just connecting and controlling the devices through internet. Now let's see what is the history of IoT, how the Internet of Things has been arised. First, let us see pre-internet, that is your human-to-human communication. In that case, SMS were there, and then it came to the concept of Internet of Content, that is your www, that is your World Wide Web. In that stage, email, information, entertainment was there. And then it came to Internet of Services, that is Web 2.0. In that stage, they have introduced the concept of e-productivity and e-commerce. Whereas coming to the next, Internet of People. Here, peoples were connected through internet, through these social media, that is Skype, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And then finally comes the Internet of Things, that is both the machines are connected to each other by the help of the identification in case of identification tracking and then monitoring. All these concepts were introduced. This is the rise of internet. First was pre-internet, internet of content, and then came on internet of services, internet of people, and then internet of things. And now let's see the IoT frame. IoT, Internet of Things, and its main features are first of all, anytime, any context, and any place, anywhere. Then, anything, any device, any path, any network, and then any service, any business, and finally, anyone, anybody. This is the features of IoT. Now, let's see in deep of features of IoT. First is your connectivity, analysis, integrating, AI, and sensing. Next, how does IoT works? An IoT system works through the real-time collection and exchange of data. An IoT system has mainly three components, that is your cloud, sensors, and end devices. First, your sensors. We are using the sensors for data sending circuitry. Then we are using the cloud for the data exchange. Finally, your end devices. Next, we are coming to IoT specialist. How to become an IoT specialist? First of all, to become an IoT specialist, we first require, first they should know the knowledge of. Here, let us see the simply we can see the example that Venkat is in India, whereas he should operate the washing machine which is in the US. for that, for building this, you should know first electronic knowledge, that is your remote. You should know the knowledge of electronics, and then after that, they are just embedded system. These are all the boards, that is the IoT boards are Arduino and Raspberry Pi. And then we require a cloud computing. After that, we need a service of AI and robotics. We can use all this technology. Finally, for washing machine, should be required a programmer to operate it. So finally, to become an IoT specialist, he should know all this. He should be an electronic knowledge, and he should know the embedded system, and he should know the cloud computing, and then he should know the knowledge of artificial intelligence and robotics, and finally, he should know programming in a washing machine or devices. Now let's come to the applications of IoT. Applications of IoT, generally it is used in everyday life, and it is used in healthcare. It is also used in smart cities. It is also used in agriculture. It is used in industrial automation, and finally IoT is used in disaster management. Thank you.